McGraw-Hill Professional presents The High Roller Experience, How Caesars and Other World-Class Companies Are Using Data to Create an Unforgettable Customer Experience. Written by David Norton, narrated by Doug Greene. Prelude. During my time at Harrah's and Caesars, we had numerous great companies spend time with us in Las Vegas to discuss marketing and the customer experience. They were intrigued by the way the casino industry manages its best customers, and they had read about our broader success in marketing as well. These meetings were always intellectually stimulating, as we discussed what the visiting companies were doing well that could help us improve some element of our business, and we collectively developed a roadmap for how they could make progress in CRM, analytics, and loyalty. The most amusing and telling way the CMO from one of these companies summarized his emotions after the session was over was that he was both impressed and depressed. Impressed upon learning what we were doing from a marketing perspective and driving an enhanced customer experience throughout the casino resort, and depressed by the realization that he had a lot of work to do within his own firm to replicate that success. These meetings made me realize that the things that we were doing in the casino business at Harrah's were applicable across a range of industries and could be applied at many great companies, especially those whose expertise had been focused on brand management, product development, and operations. I am also constantly amazed at how many people are familiar with and respect the Harrah's marketing story, particularly if they had studied the Harvard Business School case in their MBA program and are eager to learn the details. The ability to translate that knowledge to their own environment is compelling for people to hear as well. These numerous interactions drew me to the consulting and agency side, as I realized there was a lot of potential to work collaboratively with smart and progressive clients to help them achieve excellence in customer centricity relatively quickly. To scale and expand the offering, we decided to create Gale, building a team of people with a broad array of expertise including strategic consulting, digital, and technology acumen. We had several objectives in mind when creating Gale, with the realization that there was a seam in the market that would enable us to deliver unique value to clients. Our mantra was, and is, to deliver strategic thinking on par with the top consulting firms, but with an ability to support ongoing operational execution. Another objective was to be a data-driven agency where science was more dominant than art, and we wanted to focus on helping our clients integrate those insights into their operations very quickly in order to drive business value and create internal momentum for change. We also wanted to help our clients avoid the trap of making a seven-figure investment in database or digital technology and not using the functionality fully to personalize the customer experience. So, we built platforms that allow our clients to be up and running in a sophisticated way at a fraction of the typical cost and much more quickly. Case studies from our work at Gale provide a tremendous complement to the Harrah's story. They demonstrate how data and science can be used to improve marketing and the customer experience in a broad array of industries, and they prove the power of the latest technology advances. The high roller experience encapsulates the thinking and experience that will enable rapid growth in profitability and customer satisfaction at your organization and shows you how you can implement it in your own company's marketing and customer-focused strategy. Forward. In my former role as managing director at a global IT services company, I had the opportunity to work with Harrah's Caesars Entertainment, one of the world's most illustrious gaming companies. The mission was to create a set of systems that would elevate Harrah's Caesars into a customer experience leadership position in the highly competitive Las Vegas casino space. Championed by the CMO, David Norton, this ambitious task would transform customer centricity in the casino industry. Today, the fact that CMOs have a strong influence over technology spend is a given. But back then it was unheard of. Pioneering today's CMO model, a
Sample complete. Ready to continue?